much. Welcome to our formal groundbreaking ceremony here in Sanford. It's great to welcome you all here, and it's great to have you here. This, as many of you know, will be our first manufacturing facility here in the United States, right here in Sanford. So we're thrilled to be with you today.
We are proud that we still make things here. And today that means being part of cutting-edge advanced manufacturing and state-of-the-art biologic therapies. And this new facility will not only bring new jobs and economic opportunities, but it will also serve as a beacon of hope for the individuals and families that are waiting for the next breakthrough in treatment and in care.
We're excited to see companies like this, not only because of the investments and because of the good paying jobs, but because of the impact that you are having on the lives of patients, families, and healthcare providers around the world.
We were invited to speak because my daughter has a rare disease. It is called X-linked hypophosphatemia rickets, or XLH for short. We began the long and difficult journey that so many rare disease families make, trying one medication after another, seeking any therapy that might hold a chance of alleviating her symptoms. Thankfully, Kyowa Kirin is uniquely focused on researching and developing therapies in the rare disease space, applying the time, resources, and expertise to aid patients with unmet medical needs.
Let me tell you about Nash. He was the sickest of the litter and had rickets and required vitamin D treatments. I was amazed to learn that a dog could have rickets, the same disease as mine. I immediately pulled up my pant leg to show the curve in my leg and my scars on my knees. My mom and dad were speechless. This was really the first time that I was accepting of my condition, and it was all because of this rescue dog.
Today's event marks a giant step forward in our Vision 2030, which say, Kyowa Kirin will realize the successful creation and delivery of life-changing value that ultimately makes people smile.
Our special dog has helped me to see that it is okay to be different. I realize that everyone in their own way has their own rickets to deal with. It might not be rickets, it could be something else. But we all have our crosses to bear, and when you accept that, you're more at peace with yourself and the world.